Wells Fargo versus HSBC USA. Which is better? In this video, we're comparing Wells Fargo and HSBC USA to help you decide which bank is the best fit for your needs. Links to both products are included in the description below for your convenience. Let's get into it. Wells Fargo, one of the largest banks in the US, offers a comprehensive suite of banking services. With over 7,000 branches nationwide, it provides robust in-person and digital banking options. Wells Fargo's checking and savings accounts come with a wide variety of features, including access to a large ATM network and solid mobile banking capabilities. They also offer mortgages, personal loans, and business services. For those looking for credit cards, Wells Fargo offers competitive rewards programs, including cashback and travel cards. The bank's extensive branch network is ideal for those who prefer traditional banking, but its online services are also reliable. HSBC USA, a global powerhouse, has a smaller US presence with around 200 branches. However, it stands out with its international reach and specialized services for individuals and businesses that require cross-border banking. If you frequently travel or have financial ties abroad, HSBC's global network and foreign currency exchange services are major advantages. HSBC also offers a variety of accounts with no fees for those who maintain a certain balance, and its digital banking services are sleek and user-friendly. Their credit cards, including options for cashback and travel rewards, are competitive, but HSBC doesn't have as many physical locations as Wells Fargo, making it better suited for those who are comfortable with digital banking or live near an HSBC branch. So which is better? If you value a large national network, in-person banking, and a broad range of services, Wells Fargo is a great choice. On the other hand, if you need a bank with an international focus and are comfortable with limited in-person access, HSBC USA could be the better option. Check out the links in the description to learn more about both banks and find the one that's best for you.